Today we're showing you a MASSEY Ferguson 1740M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, open operator station, has just under 100 hours on it. The tractor is practically new. It is a 2019 year model. Has a loader valve on it, loader control right here, so you can add a loader to this tractor if you choose to. Add tires on it. It's got the gear transmission. And again, practically new tractor. Tractor was traded in from a guy in West Virginia. It's traded in at a different dealer, so didn't get the exact story, but obviously wanted a different unit for whatever reason he may have had. Doesn't have the balance of the factory warranty yet, and again, gear transmission. It does have the power reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching. It's a real slick little unit. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, please contact us at massedtracker.com.